Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert email to PDF with PDF.co using Postman. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this Microsoft Outlook email with 2 PDF attachments as our sample file. The output file will be a merged 3 pages PDF document. So let's begin. First, open the Postman app, and click the PDF from Email Collections. Under the header, add your PDF.co API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Now, let's set up the body param. In the URL param, input the direct URL of your source file. For the embed attachments param, set it to true to include the attachments in the final output. For the convert attachments param, set it to true to convert the attachments into PDF format. The paper size param allows you to customize the paper size output. For the name param, enter your desired output file name. For the async param, set it to false. If you want to run job asynchronously, set it to true. For the encrypt param, set it to false. If you want to enable encryption for output file, set it to true. Since we are done adding all the values, let's click the Send button to send a request. Our test was successful. Kindly click on the URL to view the output. Here is the converted Microsoft Outlook email merged with its 2 PDF file attachments. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.